flying gates on the way out. And in other words, they called them flying gates, but they were actually double drawbridge. They were low, so the farmer could cross from side to side. And the farmer had the right of way, not the train. So at any given time out of the 17 flying gates, the farmer wanted to cross, dropped the gates and the train had to wait while he was doing his business. And that could be 10, 15 minutes. So apparently the train never got to Ballybunion on time. It was always quarter an hour, half an hour. He should have been helping.